everyone, welcome back to my channel. For my video today, I'm going to be talking about the Louis Vuitton repair system and process. So recently I needed a repair for my bag. This is my Speedy Bandolier. It is in the giant on-print leather in the Dove color. I keep forgetting what they call it, but a couple of, I'm going to say months now, a couple of months ago, I noticed that there was a stitch loose on the strap that comes with the bag, and I wasn't really sure what to do. I couldn't quite stop it from unraveling, and I decided, since the bag was only probably just about a year old at that point, I wanted to contact Louis Vuitton and see what they would do about it. So initially I was a little put off because when I went to their website, they said that you had to download the app in order to initiate any sort of repair. So I had to download an app to my phone, which, you know, in retrospect, it was fine. But at the time I thought, oh, I hope this isn't going to be a long, difficult process. And it turned out to be quite easy, and spoiler alert, everything worked out great. So I downloaded the app to my phone, and then I went in and under my LV, which is one of the options you get on the menu, I went in and initiated a repair, and I took several photos of the loose stitch, which I will include somewhere up here. So you can see that the stitch was quite obviously loose, and there was really no way to save it or salvage it. So I took the pictures and I uploaded them to the website, and, you know, told them what the issue was, which was fairly obvious from the pictures. And then I just submitted it as a repair request, and what happens is you then have to schedule a time where they will call you. So that is what I did. I did have to kind of adjust because I believe they were in Pacific Standard Time. I live in the East Coast, and they were using the time from the West Coast. So there was a little bit of confusion on my part anyway, because I was thinking I was getting a call about 4 o'clock in the evening, when in reality I was getting a call at 7 o'clock in the evening because of the 3-hour time difference. Nevertheless, they called right on time. I spoke to them, and they were very efficient, they were very professional, very pleasant, and they told me that because the stitch was loose and there's really no way to actually repair that, I was actually to send them the strap, and they were going to send me a completely new strap, which blew my mind, because I thought that was above and beyond what I could have expected. But they explained that you can't actually take the strap apart, I believe, because of all the components. So whatever. And then she told me that it was going to be complimentary because it was considered to be like a flaw within the bag, so I didn't have to pay for it. Then they sent me a shipping label for free. I just had to find a package, and I actually had a really nice package that I was able to use, like a little box where I rolled up my strap, I put it in the box, I put the label on, I took it to the UPS store, and I shipped it off, and then they tracked it for me, so I was able to follow on my app where it was and when they received it. So then when they received it, I just kind of forgot about it, to be honest with you. I do have a lot of bags. I was using this bag at the time fairly regularly, but I decided to put it aside for the time being and use some of the other bags that I had. So then I got a call about a week ago. So maybe 2 months went by, I want to say, about 2 months, 2.5 months to be, you know, generous. And they called me and told me that the repair was ready, and they just wanted to verify my shipping address. So I verified my shipping address, and then they said that they would send me an email as soon as the package was shipped, which they did, and it just arrived this morning. I did have to sign for it from UPS, but it came in this box right here. And I didn't really think anything of it. I thought, okay, there's going to be a strap in the box, but I do have to show you the wrapping of this box because they really went above and beyond. So this is the interior of the box that you get your repair back in, and you can see they have it lined with the Louis Vuitton orange, and then there's this little like insert to keep everything secure. It came in this beautiful little box. It also had my receipt, I haven't actually looked at this, so let me just take a quick look at it. It's probably just to verify the repair. Please find enclosed a copy of the repair agreement to keep for your records. So that is really nice, very professionally done. And then when you open up the box, it's just like you made a brand new purchase almost, because they have it tucked into a dust bag here. So I've got an extra box from Louis Vuitton. Obviously, I'm not going to be keeping my strap in this dust bag, but I thought that was just so above and beyond what I had expected. So here is the little dust bag that it came in, and then when you open it up, here is the strap. So of course the first thing I did was double check the little loop. So the loose stitch was right here on this movable loop, and one of them was completely out and the other one was actually like one piece of thread, so it was coming out, and that was the issue. So I thought it was kind of a minor thing. I thought I'd be able to just send the strap or even the strap part in, but turned out to be a little bit bigger than that. But anyway, I got my strap back, and of course I did double check the color to make sure that the color matched perfectly, which it does, and I cannot be more thrilled. I am really, really excited about how quickly, how efficiently, and how professionally they handled this repair. I really could not have asked for any more, other than, you know, maybe a little bit of a shorter window of repair time. But to be honest with you, since I do have other bags, and since I could have used this bag even without the strap, you know, just handheld, so there's nothing to complain about. I mean, look at that. It is beautiful and perfect once again. And I'm just so thrilled and really, really pleased. So this just kind of confirms what I've always believed, that your luxury brands really will take better care of you. I feel like recently, in recent times, Louis Vuitton has been getting a little bit of a bad rap when it comes to their quality, especially for things like glazing and stuff, but this was effortless, and I really have to say that they went above and beyond. I was even willing to pay for the stitch, but they said it was considered to be a flaw, and they were going to do it all for me, complimentary, free of charge. All I had to do was, you know, take the time to put it in a box and ship it out to them. So I'm very pleased and really, really impressed with the customer service from Louis Vuitton. So if you are someone who is thinking about initiating a repair, go ahead and give it a try. They will be very cordial, and really I had no difficulty at all. Everybody I spoke to, I think I spoke with 3 different people over the course of the 3 months, always professional, always polite, and really just so above and beyond what I would have anticipated, that I'm really, really happy with the results. So thank you to the Louis Vuitton repair team. So that is it for my video today, guys. I hope you found it helpful if you were looking to initiate some kind of repair for your Louis Vuitton. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or any questions for me, do leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you again in my next video. Take care.